Welcome back to the DŌST unboxing series. Dave is going to show you how to insert the secondary battery. First off, open up the case and take out the battery. If you activate the power button, you will see the power meter come on. Dislodge the battery from the case using the key. Go to your bike and remove all 4 screws on the frame. Next, loosely attach the cradle to the frame. Plug the cradle in and tighten the screws. Finally, clip in your extra battery. Nice work, Dave. Check out the next video to learn how to use your bike, and if you have any questions, please visit support.dostbikes.com.